Now will be purely mama's content. I just put Evelyn to sleep. She fell asleep on me again, but I just decided to record stuff. I don't know, maybe you will need it, maybe not, but maybe one day I will be willing to have another kid, so I will use this information. I will talk about diapers, about toys and all of that. So if you're not into it, you can switch off this video. So what I would like to say is that these diapers, they're pretty strange. And it seems to me they were much cheaper than Huggies. But these diapers, they are pretty fluffy. And I don't like that. So I'm not gonna buy it anymore again. Then Huggies, I like them because they have very nice wings, as I call them. I'm gonna show you right now. This is what I was talking about. So when you put on the baby, so this one looks like wings. It's so funny, but I like it. Baby oil, this one is the best. This one has nice smell and it's pretty oily. We also bought Johnson's, but I don't know, we don't like it. I bought this Johnson's. Nah, I don't like the texture of this oil. We realized that this arc is the best. Look how my baby is looking at this arc. She loves that. Max put more toys on it. He removed it from play gym and put it here. She absolutely adore it, right? My baby girl. I just fed her again. And mama has a huge plan to do Zumba in front of her, right? Do you agree or disagree? She is surprised or happy. I bought new vitamin D. This one has 15 milligrams and 600 IU. This one has sunflower oil and rosemary extract. And it's written that it has pleasant taste. Also, this one is free from artificial flavors, sweeteners, dyes, and chemicals. So that's why I got this one. But look what is written here. The American Academy of Pediatricians recommend that breastfed baby or partially breastfed infant receive 600 IU of supplemental vitamin D daily. She is hungry and she wants to sleep again, right? I have heard from some doctors that kids sleep cycles every 40 minutes. Look at her. Evie. Are you happy? Are you happy? Huh? Look, her hair finally started to grow. Do you remember that Max cut it without my permission? I was so pissed off. And now she started to have hair. I want to tell you about this aspirator. So for the newborns, we take this one. Then we take this thing. Then we connect this to this one over here. And this one does the magic. Let's switch it on so you can hear the sound. Then you can play the music. Let me just connect it and I'll show you. So, let me show you the magic. And look. So, you use this one for newborns, and when you want to clean the nose of the newborn, you have to use nasal spray, and then you just move it gently by the circle and you collect all the bed stuff. And then you will see it inside here. Oh my god, this is lifesaver. I swear. I was so afraid to clean her nose, but then I was like, okay, it's time to use this aspirator. And I tried it. I loved it. Look, I bought this bin for diapers. It is another lifesaver. So when I sit here, let's say over here, she is here, and I see that I need to change her diaper. Actually, I need to change her diaper right now. So I take this one, and we carry here, and my love is here already. Right? Right? Say hello to my subscribers. Just put Evelyn to sleep and decided to record a video about her progress, what she has learned during this 2 weeks, 1 week. So 2 weeks ago, I noticed that she started to raise her shoulders and head when I tried to take her, for example, from the crib or from the bouncer. Also, our pattern, sleeping patterns are changing, and I'm so happy about that. So now basically I can sleep 7-8 hours, but of course with some kind of breaks. She wakes up every 3 hours to eat, but we go to bed at 12 o'clock midnight, and we wake up, let's say, next day at 12 o'clock. But we have this time for feeding, but of course when she wakes up, I feed her with formula, and I pump my milk, because I don't want to give breast milk during the night, because if I give her breast milk during the night, then she would wake up in 2 hours. So I realized that it's better to give formula if you want to sleep a little bit longer. Also, what I noticed that she started to grab stuff with her hands, and of course it's not like so strong right now, but I believe that in 1 week she will be able to do that pretty well. So now sometimes she is holding something with her left hand and her right hand is more relaxed, sometimes 2 hands. And Max told me a few days ago, he was like, okay, so try to give her everything in her right hand so that she would develop her right hand for writing. And of course, you know that left part of the brain is responsible for the right hand. I'm giving her lots of stuff to touch. Max bought me some balls that I would remove some pain in my back. They are balls like this. I'm gonna do some B-rolls right now, and I give her to touch those balls because they have some kind of I don't know how you call it in English, some bumps, so she can touch them, and I believe it will help her to develop her brain. Also, what I noticed that she started to like our Captain Calamari, as Max called him. I don't know, maybe it's from some cartoon, I don't know. But anyway, I just like that she can touch it, and she can grab it, and she feels different textures. So I hope it will benefit her somehow in life. Also, she started to talk a lot, pretty a lot, and I'm so happy about that. You know, my nanny was talking to her the other day. I will insert B-roll and you will see it. And she was responding.
Agua. Cuckoo. Mama. Mama. Yeah, mama. Yeah. Mama. Papa. Papa. Agu. I love you. I love you.
Как она губки пытается сложить, повторить.
No, I love you. Agu. 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 Agu, agu, agu.
And sometimes when Max says some kind of, not phrases, but sounds, she repeats exactly the same sounds. We were like, whoa, that's pretty Cool. She's only 2 months and 3 weeks. So in 1 week she will be 3 months. So excited about that. Also, when I'm changing her, when I change her diaper, she knows that I'm gonna change her diaper. So sometimes she makes her legs straight and sometimes she raises them. I'm like, oh my god, she understands. And my sister told me, try to talk to her, and I'm trying to explain to her, I'm gonna change your diaper, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And regarding her sleep during the day, I also figured out how to put her to sleep. Like right now it is 6:38. She's already asleep. I can show you. So she's sleeping right now, but I realized that not like I've realized, I have read on some forums that when you see some clues that the baby is about to fall asleep, so you have to put aka half asleep baby in her crib, and then she will fall asleep, and she will be sleeping for 1 hour or 2 hours. My little star woke up because I didn't burp her. I fed her with formula and I let her sleep, but I knew that she could have waken up because I didn't burp her. And this has happened 15 minutes later. Anyway, I also figured out that I can feed her on the pillow, so I have very soft pillow, and I'm laying her down like this, in position like this, and I'm feeding her, and then she falls asleep and I'm not burping her, but I'm removing the pillow after 10-15 minutes. Sometimes this trick works, but sometimes not, like now. So she will be maybe awake, or maybe she will fall asleep again. Say hi to my subscribers. Say hi. Say hi to my subscribers. She can see herself on the screen, right? Слушай, она у нас умная. Как только она чувствует, что камера ее снимает, она затихает.
С капитаном Каламари. Вкусный.
Она пытается его укусить.